Okay, let's try this geometric series question. It's all about circles. We've got three circles, and the first circle has a radius of 6 centimeters, this big circle. And then the next circle goes through here, but the radius is half. It's got to be half here, because there's the distance straight across the center. It's got to be half. It's got to be 3 centimeters. That means the third circle must have a radius of 3/2 centimeters. Let's calculate the sum of the areas of the circles. Well, we've got the radiuses, but to get the areas, we have to go pi r squared. Pi times 6 squared, pi times 3 squared, pi times 3/2 squared. We get 36 pi, 9 pi, 9/4 pi. And then what do we do here? Well, the first term is 36 pi. If we divide two consecutive terms, 9 pi over 36 pi, we get r, which is 1/4, and we want to find the sum of 10 of these things. So we'll just put that into the formula. And the formula is the sum for a geometric series, the sum of 10 terms here is a, 36 pi, 1 minus r, which is 1/4 to the 10th power, over 1 minus 1/4. I put that in my calculator, and it told me 452.39 square centimeters. Okay, which circle has a diameter of 3/128? Well, these are the series of the radiuses. The series of the diameters would be 12. 6 and 3 has to be twice as much as the radius is. So the first term is 12. R is still a half. 6 divided by 12 is a half. I want to find out what term is 3/128. So I just use that. Tn equals A times r to the n minus 1. Well, there's your Tn, the term we're looking for. There's your A, 12. There's your r, half. We're solving for this. If you go 3/128, let's divide by this 12. We'll get this number 1/512. Now that's a power of 2. If you go shift factorial of this number, it'll tell you that it's 2 to the 9th power. Actually, it won't. You can't do 1/12. You have to do 512. If you go shift factor, you'll get that 2 to the 9th power. Now, hey, we're looking at this. A half to the 9th power, a half to the m minus 1. We've got the same base. 10 must be the answer. 10 minus 1 is 9. So n equals 10. And there you go.